Hi, I'm Sarah from CompleteAITraining.com, and in this video, I'll guide you on how to grow your career and become an AI Specialized CMO. We'll explore the essential skills, the latest industry trends, and the steps you need to take to position yourself as a leader in the intersection of marketing and artificial intelligence. Let's dive in. By becoming an AI Specialized CMO, you unlock a multitude of benefits that can significantly enhance your career. First, you future-proof your skills. As AI continues to revolutionize industries, having expertise in this area ensures you stay relevant and indispensable. Second, there are more job opportunities for professionals with AI skills. Companies are actively seeking leaders who can integrate AI into their marketing strategies, making you a highly sought-after candidate. Third, you can command a higher salary. AI-skilled professionals are more efficient and productive, leveraging AI as their assistant to optimize campaigns and drive better results. Additionally, you'll gain a competitive edge by being at the forefront of technological advancements, allowing you to innovate and lead with confidence. Finally, you'll have the ability to make data-driven decisions, enhancing your strategic planning and execution. Embrace the future of marketing and elevate your career by becoming an AI-specialized CMO. At CompleteAITraining.com, we offer comprehensive courses and a certification program designed to help you become an AI-specialized CMO. With AI developments advancing rapidly, we ensure you stay updated on the latest trends and technologies relevant to CMOs. Our curriculum is continuously refreshed to keep you at the cutting edge of AI in marketing. Our AI video training programs are tailored specifically for CMOs, featuring the latest prompt courses and custom GPTs designed for specialized tasks. We've meticulously organized AI tools to enhance your marketing strategies. Join our course and certification program to elevate your expertise as an AI-specialized CMO. If you're interested in this course, please check out CompleteAITraining.com and search for CMOs, Chief Marketing Officers. You can sign up for as low as $99 a year to get access to all video trainings, prompts, custom GPTs, AI tools, and one free certification per year. Don't wait to become an AI expert CMO. You can start a 3-day trial today.